business was started in 2005 by my elder brother. After 2011, when I joined this business, I introduced almost 17 to 18 different categories, different products to this business. So all these different verticals we have created, right from the safety of your car paint, to the security of your car, to the customized interior of your car, to the need of a high-end car audio inside your car. 2005 to 11, when the product started coming in, the inventory started building. By the time 2020, it was a hell lot of inventory. We were not knowing anything about the stock. So since then, we decided to have something which can help us to grow our business. Somehow I landed on a Facebook page, my current partner Straightworks. So they were taking some kind of a webinar online. I attended that 5-day webinar. Then I decided that I will go with the Straightworks, and we shifted to Zoho. It changed the way we do business.
Their major issue was that the physical inventory lying in their godowns and the inventory in the books was never matching. So they had to physically basically go and check whether this part is available or not.
Zoho Inventory was my, I guess, 5th or 6th software like I've been using. Earlier than I was using a software called Mark, even a local ERP software. Due to the complexity of the software, all the softwares are like machine dependent. You can't use a multi-user in that. You have a warehouse at different place, you have a store at different place, you have got accounts at different place. You have to make a multiple bills. You are dependent on only one guy who is making a bill for you. So there are many challenges involved in this software. But the time when we switch to Zoho Inventory, you can categorize the product the way you want. Let it be by their brand name or let it be by the category what they fall in. You can differentiate the product and you can take care of your stocks. So with the help of Zoho Inventory, you can actually organize your business. Now we have got almost 35 employees at our place. 26 people are like the people who do the installations and everything, and other 9 belong to the back office. But the best part, all 9 people know how to do the billing, how to manage the inventory, how to check the stocks, everything. So all this software, like your Zoho Books is connected to your Zoho Inventory, your Begin is connected to your Zoho Books, and your Zakia is connected to your inventory. So all this software, they are all integrated with each other and they communicate it so smoothly. So it's like, Zoho team is always working 24/7 behind your software to how we can improve it. It was actually 10x for me from shifting from earlier traditional software to the cloud-based software. Like Zoho actually transformed my business 10x.